When somebody asks me what SPDI is, I say SPDI is a process. It's a product design methodology for sustainability.
Well, this is our newest 3D printer here. I use this to create my scale model here, my board.
The 3D printers here at Keene State allow the students to take their ideas, put them on CAD, and then print them quickly and see what does it feel like, what does it look like, change it, fix it, print another one, and go through that design iteration process very quickly.
It's so important to be able to bring to life all these ideas that you have created in your head.
It's just a way to gather wind energy for more urban areas. Little wing where it's got a piece of this material called piezoelectric material where when pressure is applied to it, it creates electricity.
I took the semester to focus on the developing of like a prototype for recreational backpack.
The final project was a sustainable surfboard. I looked at a sport, one of my favorite sports, and surfing, and looked at how unsustainable the technology and the boards were and how I could improve that.
To be a good designer, you really need to know how things are made. And the program is designed to give the students the opportunity to get hands-on experience learning how to use all the different production equipment.
So I had to do a lot of research on seeing how this material worked, pricing.
A little change of even an 1/8 inch in one area would change the entire shape of the board.
Every single day, you can go on and check YouTube, you can do Kickstarter, you can surf the net, and you can find out who's doing what. And when we've got some projects going that are better, halfway through the course, a couple of people found their topic was on a Kickstarter.
What happens in industry often is you may be working with a client, you may be working with people in marketing, and you can take your 3D models and they can see it and they can really say, oh yes, no, what are we going to do?
I've been watching this program develop for about 4 years now, and the projects have gotten more and more sophisticated.
Their 4 years in the SPDI program, they really develop their design maturity. And that means that they can go from concept with confidence to all the way through to the end product, which takes a lot of tenacity because it's changing, fixing, till you really get the product to meet the design requirements.
You want to go into business, and the business isn't buying and selling, but actually making something, then this is the place you want to go.
We look for employees like the student we hired who understands, how to select materials and how to have a creative design and how to look for the materials. And a lot of our marketplace looks for sustainable materials.
You really have to be the one coming up with the designs and coming up with deadlines, getting things done on your own. So it ends up being a lot like work.